unicorn in there. All right, now you're going to rub it all around. Rub it good. Make sure you get all the unicorn in there. Okay. Now you're going to fold up your hand. All right. Now you're going to open it and put it as close to your face as you possibly can. Go to it to Drew.
Okay.
No.
Hold on. Don't make me hit you the phone. Ow. Ow, my elbow. That hurt.
Do it, Uncle David.
Go to it, Uncle David.
Hold your hand out. Now put the unicorn in.
Well, give me one.
Now rub it in. Now put it close to your face as you can. Okay? No, to your face.
You hear me, young lady.
Oh.
Hey, Chloe, do it.